Hey everyone, I'm Alex with MailerLite, and in this video, we'll show you how to integrate Wix with MailerLite in just a few simple steps. Using this integration, you can connect your Wix website to MailerLite's powerful email marketing tools, sync your subscribers automatically, and track e-commerce sales. You can use forms made with our pop-up builder or your own Wix forms to gather subscribers too. It's quick, easy, and completely free for all MailerLite subscribers. Let's jump right in. First, you'll start in the Wix dashboard. Hover over to Apps in the left sidebar, and then select App Market. Then over in the search bar, we're going to search for MailerLite. Then once you select it, we're going to select Add to Site. Then if you manage multiple Wix sites, select the one that you want to connect to. And then you'll need to agree to Wix's app terms by clicking Agree and Add. And then you'll be redirected to the app setup page to connect your MailerLite account. Hit Connect. If you're not already logged in, enter your MailerLite credentials, and then you'd select the MailerLite account you want to connect to. Then, authorize Wix to access your account. This is going to grant permission for Wix and MailerLite to share data. Once you authorize the account, you'll be taken back to your Wix app settings, and then here, you can choose which subscriber fields to sync. This is going to be information that you'll collect from subscribers like their name, email, company, city, zip code, state, country, or any other data that you want to collect from subscribers. Keep in mind that these can be changed later on as well. All right, then you'll need to select an existing group or create a new subscriber group within MailerLite. And this is going to be the group within MailerLite where site visitors will be categorized to if they subscribe or make a purchase. So we're going to go ahead and create a group. We're going to call that Wix subscribers. Then click Create Group. And then you can see the group that you've created right down here. And then we hit Select. You'll need to decide whether to sync all subscribers or only those who opted into email marketing. And since you can only send email campaigns to subscribers who select to opt in to email marketing, we recommend only synchronizing those subscribers. So we'll hit Only Opted In. Once connected, the sync runs in the background, and you can manage everything from the MailerLite integration settings, which you can find right here. Under the settings, you can enable or disable pop-ups to collect leads directly on your Wix site. This means that you can create pop-ups in the MailerLite pop-up builder, and then they'll automatically appear ready to use on your Wix website. You can check out our pop-up tutorial for more on how to use our builder. You can resubscribe inactive subscribers who sign up again via checkout or forms. You can also add or remove fields for your subscribers, depending on which information you would like to collect. Keep in mind that email and name fields are mandatory. Those cannot be removed. And then you can manage your connected MailerLite account, including disconnecting or switching accounts. Under the Groups tab, you can change your selected subscriber group at any time. You can find the data for your subscribers in the group you selected right here in MailerLite. And if you have an e-commerce store, you can view the e-commerce data right in your MailerLite dashboard and start building e-commerce automations. If you want to include Wix products in your newsletters, you can use the e-commerce block. Inside your campaign editor, head over to the e-commerce section in the left sidebar. Drag in the e-commerce block of your choice. Click into the block, and then on the right sidebar, click Add Products from your store. If you have multiple stores, you can select which one you want to add products from in the drop-down over here. And then once you find the products that you want to add, select them, and then hit Insert. And that's it. Your Wix site is now fully connected to MailerLite. With this integration, you can easily sync contacts, automate email marketing, and track sales, all within MailerLite. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more of the best tips in email marketing. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help.